So, ayan guys, meron tayong mumukbangin dito gawa ng fresh baker. So, ito siya guys. Iba't ibang flavor. So, try natin tong ito guys, may chocolates. Sarap. So, ito naman guys, tikman natin tong melon berry. Ito siya guys. Very sweet. Kasi ito naman guys. Ayan. Parang masarap to guys ah. May crunchy siya guys. Parang may prutas na apple. So ito guys. May chocolate. May berry siya. Berry. Tikman natin. Blueberry guys. Hindi siya gaano matamis guys. Pero ang sarap niya. So ayun guys. Ang sarap niya. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and share. Bye-bye.